Hi everyone, thank you for joining us. Tea with Ty. I am Ty, and we're here with Melis from Kaleidoscope Collective, a brand new store that just opens right across the street from Steak and Steel, so you can go shopping, then go eat.
Yep, Kaleidoscope Collective is a collective of 20 local vendors. We happen to be all women. Not that we looked to do that, but that's what ended up happening. Each shelf that you see is a vendor of its own. And we just decided that we needed a shop like this in downtown Bethlehem. And I said, if I don't do it, someone else is gonna do it. So I might as well, take the leap. And yeah, that's what we did. 20 local vendors, all women under one roof.
Let's talk about some of the examples. So like this shelf.
Yep.
Is it all one person?
It's all one person, and that's my sister's mustache. And she also does really fun things. She will get little food stuff and soaps from different places, but she's also an artist. So this is—
May I?
Yeah, you may. That is an actual Boyd Theater ticket, an original Boyd Theater ticket. And then she did the art around it. And then she has the flower painting down there. And then next to her is Herberry. Aubrey, she is amazing. She makes these all natural soy wax candles. They're fantastic.
This smells amazing, guys.
Basil's my favorite.
What is like one of the most unique things you have in this shop?
We have a bunch of unique things. You can see editorials right here, these vintage style matchboxes. I believe those are super unique. You're not gonna find them anywhere else. We have The Breakfast Club, you can't go wrong. So you can buy your candles, buy your matches.
You guys, there is a Wicked themed candle. Look at this.
And it's all handmade. Latoya makes those. I actually want to host a candle making workshop. We are doing a mosaic workshop in here. We'll have a few of them throughout the year. Mosaic making February 2nd.
And you have your own stuff too, because you're just not a store owner.
Yes, so I have my curated Aegean stuff. That's how this all started. I started bringing in jewelry and Turkish towels from Turkey, and I was selling them at other local markets. That's how this kind of transformed. I thought we needed it in downtown Bethlehem.
Do you have anything coming up that you would love to tell the audience about? We love to kind of spill the tea here.
Well, yes. So I talked about the Mosaic workshop that's happening February 2nd. That's gonna be from 11 to 1. We're gonna make this beautiful mosaic right here, and it's $35 per person. You get to take the mosaic home. Each person gets one. We're gonna be doing the chocolate trails on the 8th and 15th.
Thank you, Melis, for taking the time to join us. Thank you, everyone. Please come and check out Melis's store. It is incredible and it's so unique. Bye.
Bye.